Hi everyone, it's me again, Joseph, your host, and welcome back to our channel in the Catechism for Kids series. Today, we have a truly amazing story to share about a special name for the Blessed Virgin Mary, Our Lady of the Rosary of Chiquinquirá. It's a story about faith, a faded painting, and a beautiful miracle that happened a long time ago in the country of Colombia. Have you ever had a drawing or a painting that got wet and messy, and the colors all ran together? Imagine that happening to a very special painting of Mary and the baby Jesus. That's exactly where our story begins. Over 450 years ago, a Spanish painter named Alonso de Narvaez created a beautiful portrait of the Virgin of the Rosary. He painted it on a simple piece of cotton cloth, kind of like a big piece of fabric. In the painting, Mary is in the center, holding the baby Jesus. Standing on her right is Saint Anthony of Padua, and on her left is the Apostle, Saint Andrew. These were the special patron saints of the men who had asked for the painting to be made. The painting was placed in a small chapel, but the chapel wasn't very strong. The roof leaked, and over the years, the rain, sun, and air damaged the painting. The beautiful colors faded, and soon you could barely see the holy figures. It was so worn out that it was put away and forgotten in an old storage room for 8 whole years. How sad for such a special painting, but God had a plan. A kind and faithful woman named Maria Ramos found the old tattered painting. Even though it was faded and damaged, she knew it was still a picture of the Mother of God. So she cleaned up the little chapel, fixed it up, and placed the painting there to be honored. She would pray often in front of the faded image, showing her love and respect. And then, something incredible happened. On December 26, 1586, as a woman named Isabel and her little boy Miguel were praying in the chapel, the little boy suddenly cried out, "Look! Look!" His mother looked up at the old painting, and she couldn't believe her eyes. The painting began to glow with a bright, dazzling light. Right before them, the colors started to return. The dull fabric became vibrant and bright. The holes and scratches magically sealed up, and the faces of Mary, Jesus, and the saints became clear and beautiful again. The entire painting was restored, looking even more wonderful than before. It was a miracle. This amazing event showed everyone that Mary wanted to be a special mother and protector for the people of Colombia. Word of the miracle spread like wildfire. People came from all over to see the miraculously restored painting. The town where it happened, Chiquinquira, became a very important place. The painting is now kept safe in a huge, beautiful church called a basilica. And Our Lady of the Rosary of Chiquinquirá was declared the Queen and Patroness of all of Colombia. That means she's like a special guardian for the whole country. Let's look a little closer at this amazing image. Mary is holding the baby Jesus, who has a little bird tied to his thumb. She also holds a rosary, which reminds us of the importance of praying. She stands on a crescent moon, which is a symbol from the Bible of a great and powerful woman. Her calm and gentle smile is full of love for us. Over the years, the painting was loved so much that for 300 years, people were allowed to touch the cloth. But this, along with bright lights, started to cause some damage again. So now it is protected behind a thick piece of glass so it can be safe for hundreds of more years. Many popes have honored this image. Pope Pius X ordered for it to receive a special crown, and Pope John Paul II even visited the shrine in 1986 to pray before it. But the story doesn't stop in Colombia. Our Lady of Chiquinquira is also very loved in Venezuela, where they affectionately call her La Chinita. There, a second miracle happened. In 1709, a woman was washing clothes by the shore of a big lake called Lake Maracaibo. She saw a small wooden tablet floating in the water and picked it up. Next morning, she heard a knocking sound and saw the wooden tablet glowing brightly. An image of Our Lady of Chiquinquirá had miraculously appeared on it. She ran outside shouting, "Milagro! Milagro!" which means miracle, miracle. Today, that miraculous tablet is in a beautiful basilica in Maracaibo, Venezuela. It even has a huge, heavy crown made of pure gold and precious gems that was donated by the people who love her so much. There's a legend that says the government once tried to move the tablet to the capital city. But as soldiers tried to lift it, it became so heavy that no one could move it. They realized she wanted to stay in Maracaibo with her people. Every November, the city of Maracaibo throws a huge party for La Chinita. The people of Maracaibo celebrate the Chiquinquirá fair in November with an all-night party. One of the main city avenues, Bella Vista, is closed for several blocks, and the city puts lights all along the avenue. The lights stay up for months, until after Christmas. There are stages set up sponsored by the government and businesses around the city. There are fireworks shows and street vendors, and hundreds of thousands of people line the streets and celebrate all night. The Chiquinquirá fair officially begins on the last Saturday in October when the Virgin is taken down from the altar in which she rests. She tours throughout Zulia State and returns to the Basilica to start all the religious festivities. Around November 6th, Bella Vista Avenue sees itself lit up by Christmas decorations. And the local government promotes a series of public concerts with national and international artists to begin the real fair. Crowds of people flock together at the different stages or platforms devised to house such concerts. Other cultural activities are held during the fair. Expo Zulia is a temporary marketplace where the Zulians show numerous products that characterize the state. Many merchants, stores, companies, and artisans offer their products at reasonably low prices. The last 2 days of La Chiquinquirá fair are most special, which are on November 17th and 18th. During these days, the great parties around the city are held. It's a wonderful celebration of faith and love that kicks off the Christmas season in Venezuela. So, what does this story teach us? It shows us that even when things seem old, broken, or forgotten, God can make them new and beautiful again. It reminds us of Mary's powerful love and how she always wants to lead us closer to her Son, Jesus. When we pray the Rosary, we think about the lives of Jesus and Mary. And this miraculous painting is another beautiful reminder of her care for us. Whether in Colombia or Venezuela, Our Lady of the Rosary of Chiquinquirá is a symbol of hope, faith, and the amazing things that can happen when we trust in God. Thank you so much for joining me to learn this incredible story. I hope it inspired you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories from our faith. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and healthy. See you next time, and God bless you always.